Hello, my name is Althea Myers. I am librarian at the SCF Libraries at Lakewood Ranch campus. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate mostly to nursing students how to find and how to use electronic textbooks and maybe books for your extended read for nursing. As always, I would like to start on the home page of the SCF Libraries website. But how do you find us? You can find us going to My SCF pages. You can find us under Explore SCF, right here under Experience SCF. You can scroll down and find us under Links and Resources. Here we are. You can find us on your Canvas dashboards. You can simply Google us if you wanted to. And all those tabs will bring you here to My SCF Libraries homepage. Quick search can be very useful. You can just stay here without going to advanced search and type in the title of your textbook. I typed title of the textbook for Nursing 3826 Ethics and Legal Issues in Healthcare. So you type it in, make sure everything's spelled correctly, and click Go. On this page, we absolutely have to sign in, otherwise you won't be able to access electronic textbook. Let's log in. And here I already see my ebook on the first page. If you don't see it when you type it in and you only see books in print, as let's say this one, go to available online and it will give you shorter list, and there will be only available online items. Let's click on availability, and then brings you to full text availability, and we see that it brings us to SCF Rittenhouse ebook collection tab. Let's select. Okay, and here is the book. You can start reading it page by page or different ways, but just for this demonstration, I would like to show you how you find the same book different way. So there's always more than one, right? So we are back on the library's homepage. Let's go to databases on the blue ribbon on the top. Let's select. And that will bring us to the list of all our databases arranged in alphabetical order A to Z. Let's go to R to find Rittenhouse. We see Rittenhouse Nursing ebook library. Let's select. And again, let's just type the title of the book. And purposely, I decided to type the text of the book without end, as you see. And let's click search. That's why I was kind of like paying attention to, so you check every word and spelling correctly and don't miss any words, because Rittenhouse is very sensible to all that. It's not Google, so you have to make sure you type everything correctly. Let's just change this and let's type in end. Click search. Okay, and here is the book. As I mentioned earlier, you can already start reading the book going page by page. You can scroll down and find table of contents, maybe choose the chapter you need for the next class or just because you're curious about it, read it that way. And let's say you're reading the book and you get distracted or you stepped out, you return and your page is not there. So what do you do for that not to happen? Let's go to tools. You can email pages to yourself. You can save a bookmark. Save. You can save a course link. Save. And if you came back and your pages are not there, but you saved in advance, you can always go to my R2 and see the books see your articles or books are here. You also can export citations. I have to warn you, Rittenhouse citations are not 100% accurate. You have the information so you can build your own citation. And I'll show you in a minute how to check and how you find correct format for your citation, for your style and your citations. So now I would like to demonstrate another example when you have multiple databases for the same book, let's say. Uh, let's try different textbook. And I typed in John Hopkins Nursing Evidence-Based Practice for Nurses and Healthcare Professions. Let's click Go. You see the title and we see for available services. Let's click on availability. And you see that now we have two databases offered to us. We have Rittenhouse, which we just talked about, and you know already the basics of it. And we have another database, EBSCO eBooks. Let's select that. I hope you're familiar with EBSCO databases because they very look the same basically. And if you used one of the EBSCO databases, you probably will be absolutely fine using it for ebooks as well. You can access book now and read it online. You can read the abstract, go chapter by chapter if you wanted to. Here's all chapters listed. You can download the book. When you click on download button, you will see that for this book, you can download 100 pages, which is actually a lot. Very often, your professors ask you to maybe have 10 or 50 pages of assignment. Just don't forget to do custom page range and just type in the pages you want for this assignment, and those pages will be downloaded to your computer screen. And here, your citation button, of course, you can share with your friends. In some cases, you can download the whole book. In some cases, but check if you wanted to download the whole book. Please check every time you do your homework if that book is downloadable. I don't know if it's a word, downloadable. So as I mentioned earlier, I wanted to show you how to make sure that your citations are correct. I'm bringing you back to our homepage to guide you to citation guides, citation APA and MLA guides. Select APA, that's what we use in nursing department. Books, because in this case we use text book. And here is your ebooks, and just make sure that you kind of checked and verified that your citation is correct. So that's about it, and we covered very basics of R2 Rittenhouse and Gale eBooks databases. If you would like to know more about those databases, you please request workshop. I will be happy to demonstrate all the wonderful features of those collections. Happy searches. Goodbye.